Hello, guys. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be playing Build a Boat for Treasure. I have never really played this game that much, but I'll be playing it today. What is this? It's new. Bruh. A minigun? A spike trap? What? No. I'm not gold. Bruh. Okay. I have boat saved. Boat load. I haven't. I don't know. Oh. I think I made this boat a long time ago, but I have it ready for I guess today, so we can get there. Um, it's a pretty cool boat. I'm gonna. Uh, I'm gonna delete the chair. I'm gonna delete the chair. Uh, and place a chair so I can drive the. Fine, my brother wants to join me. Fine. What do you want?
Can I join?
Easty plays. What do you want? You want to join?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But I'm on the sea right now. Guys, so my brother wants to play, but I have to destroy these rocks. Pew! Oh, that is not okay. Ooh, I almost hit that rock there. Have you ever heard of the game, what is it called? Guys, just give me a second to remember what it is. Theme Park Tycoon. Should I play that game? 10 likes and I'll play that game. I already played it before, but if you guys want to see my park, you guys can tell me by how much likes I have. Also, guys, can you guys subscribe, please? I'll really appreciate it because it helps me get my videos faster and stuff like that. So let's go. We're going to this flower area. What happens here? It's just cleared out. I'm gonna open this trapdoor. Oh, rocks are coming. Oh, I don't like rocks. Shoot them rocks. Oh, it's not shooting. Drive. Oh no, our engine's gone. I have a chest in there. I can see it opening. Guys, can you see it? Right there? I can hear it make a noise. Okay, we're in a baseball area. Oh, cotton candy hitting my bow. Oh. Okay, we're going through. My boat's really damaged. That sucks. Oh shoot. Oh, no. Oh, no, please. Oh, my boat. Not the, no, not the baseballs. Please stop. Oh my gosh. Can I even make it? My My boat. By the way, guys, my keyboard clicks in the background. That's what the clicking is in the background if you hear it like this. If you hear that, that's my keyboard. I'm really sorry. It's loud, but it's just I have blue switches, so it's loud. What is that? Is that the creator of the game? He's like right there with the dart in his hand. There's another person. That's not the creator. This is RB battles. What? They're throwing things at me. Right? They have things in their hand. Don't get mad because I said that's the creator. It might be. I don't know. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh my god. Oh my god. That damaged my boat. Oh, please. There's an alien. No, not the bomb, not the bomb. Oh, it took a big chunk. Oh, the bombs take really big pieces. I'm hiding. Look at me. I am bald. Shout out to people who are bald. Oh no. I almost said that one. Ooh. The card game. Pokemon. Ah! I'm dying. Ooh. I'm hanging on. No. No! No! No, guys. No. We made it to the hut. We made it to the hut, I think. Yeah. I got some gold. Thank you. Some more chests. Let's go. So, my brother's on my team now, and I have a boat saved called Store. We're gonna ride a store. Oh, they deleted my sign. Okay. My brother is not moving. Hello? Okay, guys. I'm gonna end it off here. Oh, wait, he's moving. Okay, let's go, let's go. Let's go to the boat. Let's go to my store. Let's go in. Okay, after this, guys, I will be saying goodbye. I'm gonna just place the cheap ones. Sit down! Sit down, little boy! Why do you have the same shirt as me? Sit down! This boy sit down, bro. Oh my god, man. Sit down! Starting to rage. Sit down! Oh, there we go. Okay, let's go. Guys, I need to go real quick. I'll be right back. Damn. Do you see this guy on the board? Okay, yeah, I know. I'm back. Okay. This guy's like going up and down really fast. But we're in our little store. When we make it to the end, oh, I'm yawning, sorry. When we make it to the end, I'll be ending off the video. Wherever we make it, okay? My brother's AFK when I went to him. Yeah, you guys should subscribe to Cammy Plays, aka me, because it really helps me out. please subscribe and hit the notification. And also like the video. Please, I beg of you. And by the way, guys, I hope the mic is working clearly and well, because I am using a mic now, because I think it would be good. Sorry, I have bad speaking. I think it would be good uh for the channel. Yeah, the channel, so people can know what I'm saying instead of just silence. So, where are we? We're in this like flower place. I already seen this place. I want to see somewhere new. And it seems like there's RB battles happening in here. Whoever this guy is flying out really high, shout out to him, I guess, because he's really good at the game, I think, because he's really high up and he made it to the big treasure chest I think we have to get to, but not this level. I don't like how he hits me with balls. Stop. Go, go. Why am I getting damaged for no reason? Stop, please. The security camera's gonna break. Security camera POV. Oh, yeah, you see that right there, guys? Their thumbs up. That's what you should do on this video. That's insane. You guys should hit the like button. Stop hitting that. That hurts my bow. Ow. 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 These cards are hurting my bow. Look at my roof. That's why I'm facing up, cuz I'm just looking at the lines in my roof. This is the popcorn one. Boom. Boom. They're launching balls and it's really annoying. Ow. Ooh. Ooh. The roof is fine, but the side here. See, this is the RB battles. He's throwing. Who is that? Is that Russo plays? Oh, they're throwing things at me. That's so mean. I thought they were good YouTubers. They're so mean. They're being so mean. Ow. Not to be rude, but stop throwing stuff at me. Oh, ew. Why are they squirting ketchup and mustard on me? Why is my boat yellow and red? My boat's red. No! Reinforcements, no! Easton! Place! Easty! Easty! Oh, there's still a chair, but my boat's red. Bro, is this Squid Games? Mako Mako TPS Amida. What do we do here? I'm scared. No! Oh! This is damaging my boat so badly. Stop! 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 Please! Please stop! Stop! It stopped. Oh my god, there's more rocks over there. We only made it that much. No, stop! 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 I'm sorry I'm scrolled out, but a little rock there was hitting me. Well, I don't think that's a little rock. I'm gonna get on here. Please we make it. Please we make it. No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. No, 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 no. Stop, stop, stop. Stop moving me down. I'm gonna start yelling. Thank you for stop moving me down. Okay. We only have to make it there. Look what happened to my store. Oh, damn. Where's my boat? Get back here. Get back here. Oh, okay. I'm back on. Ew, toxic waste in the water. That's so mean. What's in there? What's in here? No. What did I do that for? Okay, I guess I'm stuck here, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. Oh, wow. Bye, guys.